Woo! One little birdie singing in the tree. Two happy frogs hopping with me. Three little kittens playing in the sun. Four big balloons floating, oh so much fun. Counting up to 20, let's all sing along. From 1 to 20, we're having fun all day long. 5 bright stars twinkling up in the night. 6 little bunnies hopping left and right. 7 colorful parrots flying in sky. 8 tennis balls that are spinning so high. Counting up to 20, let's all sing along. From 1 to 20, we're having fun all day long. 9 shiny diamonds in a treasure chest. 10 cool cats taking a little rest. 11 silly clowns juggling all around. 12 dark owls making a cool sound. 13 tiny ants marching in a line. 14 beautiful flowers blooming just fine. 15 friendly kids jumping in a pond. 16 colorful fish swimming round and round. Counting up to 20, let's all sing along. From 1 to 20, we're having fun all day long. 17 yummy candies on a plate. 18 playful piggy, isn't that great? 19 happy friends all dancing in a row. 20 fun surprises waiting for us to show. Now we've counted